Let us see this question about geometric progression. The second and the fifth terms of IGP are 24 and 81 respectively. Find the first term and the common ratio. From this question, we are having G seconds, which is equal now to 24. And then the fifth one, that is G5, is equal now to 81. These are the terms that we are having. And therefore, we know the general term in geometric progression is G1 times R and N minus 1, where N a number of terms. That is represented by N. Therefore, by using this concept, G2 will be equal now to G1 R, and then it is 2 minus 1. G2 is 24 is equal now to G. Is equal now to G1, and then R, 2 minus 1, it is R. Now this is the first equation. And for this one, we are having 81 is equal now to G1, then R, it is fifth term, now it is 5 minus 1. It is therefore, we are having 81 is equal now to G1 and R power 4. This is what we are having. This is what we are having. Now this is the first equation, this is the first equation, and this is the second one. For geometric progression, we only deal with a common ratio. So we find the ratio of these two terms. That is, will be equal now the ratio of the second term over the first term. So the first equation, the ratio of the second equation to this one. Kwa hapa sasa ukishafanya kwenye geometric progression tunatafuta sasa ratio ya hizo equation. Lakini kwenye arithmetic progression tuna solve tu zile equation simultaneous. Kwa hii hapa sasa itakuwa ni 81 over 24 is equal now to G1 R power 4 over it is G1 power R. Mathematically, this and this cancel out. Mathematically, we are having this is simply written. It is R4 minus 1 is equal now to 81 over 24. Why have I done this one? Kwa sababu, ukienda kwenye radicals, manake hii hapa ni power 1, ambapo if now bases are equal and there is division, now we find the difference in the exponents. Kwa nimetafuta tofauti yao, and that is why now we say it is R power 3 is equal now to 81 over 24. Now this 81 over 24, we are looking for the simple mean that where we can this get an exponent 3. Ukiangalia hii na hii haiwezekani, kwa haiwezekani kuziacha tu, labda haiwezekani ukaziacha kama zilivyo, kwa sababu hautapata ile power 3 au exponent ya 3 kutoka kwenye hii namba. Kwa unachopaswa sasa kuifanya, una simplify, ambapo by 83 by 3 you get it is 27, and this 24 by 3 you get it is 8. Now utakuwa ni R power 3 is equal now to 27 over 8. Now this can be written that it is 3 power 3 over 2 power 3. That is simply written 3 over 2 and then power 3. And therefore this is R power 3 is equal now to 3 over 2 power 3. Now raised to exponent 3. If this is now raised to exponent 3, this now, if now exponents are equal, now bases also are equal, and therefore we come to say the R now will be equal now to 3 over 2. This is the value of R. Sasa baada ya kuwa tumepata value of R, we come and substitute, we choose one of the equation, whether this one or this one, so as we may find out the value of what we call it G1. Now let me choose this one. You choose the simplest one so as you may save time. From now we said 24 is equal now to G1 R, but R, remember R is here. Now that is 24 is equal now to G1, and then it is 3 over 2. It is therefore, we multiply it by 2 divided by 3. We multiply it by 2, we divide it by 3. This cancel out and this cancel out. And therefore, G1 will be equal now, this is 1 and this is 8. It is therefore 2 times 8, which now is equal to 16. Therefore, G1 will equal now to be 16, and R we have got the 3 over 2. This is how we do. Kwa kutumia general equation ambao ndo nimesema general term ambao ndo hii hapa na hii hapa, unatafuta ratio ya equation hizo mbili ambao ni hii hapa na hii hapa, maana yake 81 over 24, alafu G1 R4 over G1 over power times R1 kutegemea sasa na number of terms, ambapo at the end of the day sasa utacancel out hizi hapa, ambapo utajikuta unatafuta common ratio na exponents na kuwa applied. Kwa this is very important. That is how now we can solve this question.